everyone, my name is Esther Chinedu, your popular health content creator. I'm a registered nurse, a registered midwife, a registered public health nurse, and a BNSC holder. I'm here to share something. By the grace of God, I happen to be the founder of Health Awareness Initiative Revelation, popularly known as HHAIR. Was a vision we had since last year, and it was born from deep passion for health education and community service. As a healthcare professional, I have seen firsthand how illnesses and complications occur, not because treatment does not exist, but because they lack the right information at the right time. Yes, many lives are affected simply due to poor health awareness, late hospital presentation, and preventable lifestyle choices. Yes. This inspired me to start HHAIR, Health Awareness Initiative Revolution. Is a preventive health education initiative focused on changing lives through knowledge. Our mission is to empower individuals and communities with simple, accurate, and practical health information that helps them prevent diseases, adapt healthy lifestyle, and seek medical care early. Through HHAIR, we carry out community health outreaches, health education workshops, public health campaigns, digital and online teachings. Our aim is to improve health literacy, reduce preventable illnesses, and support healthier communities, especially in underserved areas. However, this vision cannot be achieved alone. That is why I'm reaching out for partnerships, sponsorships, and volunteers. We make up partnerships with NGOs, healthcare organizations, schools, faith-based institutions, and corporate bodies who share our passion for community health. Sponsorships will help us expand our outreaches, produce educational materials, and reach more people with life-saving information. We are also calling on volunteers, healthcare professionals, students, media personnel, organizers, and passionate individuals who are willing to donate their time, energy, skills to make a difference. You don't have to be a healthcare worker to volunteer. You only need a heart for service. Together we can bridge the gap between health knowledge and healthy living. If you believe in prevention, education, and community impact, I invite you to join HHAIR as a partner, a sponsor, or a volunteer. HHAIR, changing lives through knowledge. Thank you.